Do you see these annoying arrow buttons on your desktop shortcuts? If you want to remove them and make your desktop icons look cleaner, in this video, I'll show you how to remove the shortcut arrow in Windows step by step. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open the Windows search button and search for Registry Editor. Once you find it, click Open and then click Yes when the User Account Control window appears. Now, click on Computer and then open HKEY_local_machine. Next, find Software and click on it. After that, click on Microsoft. Now, scroll down until you find Windows and click on it. Next, find Current Version and open it. Again, scroll down until you find Explorer. Right-click on Explorer, select New, and then click on Key. Now type SHELICONS and press Enter. After that, right-click on the empty space on the right side. Select New, and then click on String Value. Now type 29 and press Enter. Next, double-click on 29 to open the Edit String window. In the Value Data field, enter the code in the Value Data field, and type %windir \system 32 \shell32.dll -50. Don't worry if this code looks complicated. I'll leave it in the description box below so you can easily copy it. Then click OK. As you can see, the shortcut arrows are still showing on my desktop. To apply the changes, open Task Manager. Scroll down until you find Windows Explorer. Right-click on it and select Restart. And there you go. As you can see, the shortcut arrows have been successfully removed from my desktop icons. If you want to bring the shortcut arrows back, simply go back to the Shell Icons key and delete the 29 value. Then restart Windows Explorer from Task Manager again. That's it. By the way, if you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more useful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.